So hi everyone and welcome to our free weekly market outlook. Hope that you're good, hope that you're doing well, okay, and hope that you're making nice profit from the market. So let's start. Let me describe the ideas that I have posted for you, for every one of you. So there are some new fresh ideas. I posted them on Friday. So what you will do, you will go and trade all the way back to that bottom, okay? At least breaking that bottom is expected there on the Euro Aussie pair. So what you'll do, wait for the corrections and keep selling all the way back to the previous bottom. Okay, similar there with the pound Aussie. Okay, it is still dropping. Okay, let's wait for the correction, go for the sell. That can go for one more up and then down. Okay, but anyway, you cannot sell without having the correction. So yeah, be patient, wait for the corrections and keep selling all the way back to the bottom. Okay, so the other idea, they went and yeah, Ripple, we're still waiting. Platinum, sorry, we are waiting to break above that high. So yeah, then many of idea has already gone, and those are the old ideas. Okay, so let's go step by step over the setups, and I will explain to you what to do in the upcoming week. DXY. So what we can anticipate there on the DXY, we can anticipate there to see the correction and for one more wave to the upside, then we will have to decide what the price will do. Okay, so in this example right now, yeah, we can stay for the sideways. Okay, few more hours, then we can see one more wave to the upside. Okay, so keep an eye there and see how that will plays out. If this will aggressively break the downside, you can see and anticipate a break break of the previous bottom. So yeah, keep an eye there. Your USD is trying to break lower, so similar there. Wait for the correction. Okay, there you will probably see the quite bigger correction. I think it could be 1 hour correction, or if this will be fast 15-minute correction, it can also break to the downside. Okay, so which one to be? I don't know right now, but just keep an eye there. Okay, let's see the formation there on the 15 minute. Okay, during the day tomorrow you'll see which correction will appear over there. Okay, we can stay for the sideways and then it will continue to the downside. Okay, keep an eye there and you will see. Okay, nice wave to the downside is coming there. Expected a really nice wave to the downside. You can see that we are in the big correction. Okay, and I see this move coming over there. Okay, at least that's this one or this one. Okay, which can go break all those bottoms. Okay, all those bottoms can be broken before going to the upside again. Okay, so yeah, wait and stick to your sell setup on the year USD pair. Pound USD, what do we have there? Chart is also trying to push lower, so yeah, wait for the correction, go for the sell. Okay, you can take that sell over there, you'll see how far that will go. Okay, if it will stop there, you can take off your profit or at least protect with your break even trade. You want to see the break of that trend line. Okay, we don't want to see that the price will be struggling there around the trend line because it can go for one more up and then down. So yeah, what you want to see, a correction there, something like this, and then it will go breaking that trend line and then it will go continuously all the way back to that previous bottom. Okay, so which one it will be? I don't know exactly, but yeah, keep an eye there. On the Monday, there will be a clear sense of the direction. So you have to understand the correction. You have to be able to recognize those kind of the corrections in a right time. So keep an eye there, and you will see what the price will do on Monday. Aussie USD, wonderful trade is also about to complete. Okay, price is trying to correct over there and then it will push all the way back to the bottom. If you watch the 4 hour, the potential exists and it can push all the way back to the bottom. Okay, but yeah, first watch for this correction and then go take that sell. You will see how far that will go. Okay, so watch there, watch how this will develop, or there if there it will be any strong breaks to the upside, ignore the sell. Okay, ignore the sell, and yeah, if you catch somewhere there a buy setup, you can go for that buy, breaking all those tops and then it will reverse once again. Okay, but yeah, right now on the Monday you want to see something like this. Okay, let me just show you something like this. You want to see there on Monday and then the price will go to the downside. Okay, let me just draw that correctly. Okay, this is what we are anticipating over there, and then we'll see the push to the downside. Okay, keep an eye there. Watch it. Watch that to complete and going lower. New Zealand USD, similar scenario. Okay, as you can see that all the USD pairs doing the same. I didn't take any trade there on the USD pair this week because I was focusing on the other. Okay, my focus was on the M pairs. So yeah, wait for the correction there and take that sell. You'll see how far that will go. Okay, but you can catch at least 1 to 1, 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio trade over there. Okay, let it to correct. Okay, let it to correct, then break down. You can take 1 to 1 trade at least. Okay, and then you will see how far that will go. If this will become stronger, you have a wonderful trade. Okay, it will go all the way back to the previous bottom. Okay, so yeah, watch for your sell setups. USD CAD, it is struggling right there, but this is not all the correction. We need to stay there. Couple more hours. Okay, we need to see the bigger correction before this started pushing higher. So all the buy setups are possible there, so keep an eye, focus on your buy setups. Okay, that's not gonna go from there to the upside. I don't see it. Okay, I see that this will stay for the sideways couple more hours. Okay, give it a bigger correction, then it will start to push higher. Okay, so yeah, let it stay there for a couple more hours, then keep an eye on buy setups. You cannot miss it. If this will strongly break the downside, ignore it. Okay, that's not gonna go far. It will go tag that bottom and then it will go higher again. Okay, so don't worry if this will drop to the downside. Okay, just simply ignore it. Okay, sell will probably not be tradable if in case if this will start to drop. But yeah, don't worry, it will not go far away. Only tagging that bottom, then to go up and then to go down. Okay, so there it will be a 4 hour correction. USD chief price is about to start pushing higher. So what you can do, wait there for the correction, take that buy. Okay, wait for the correction, go for the buy. Okay, all the way back to the trend line. So patiently. Okay, as you can see that all the USD pairs has the similar setup, so don't rush. USDN, this will stay in a sideways movement. Okay, uh, I see this going down higher. Okay, so bigger correction then going down. I don't think this it will go higher like that. Okay, not yet, but it can. If this correction will start to struggle there for the sideways, you can watch for the buy and then sell. New Zealand chief. Yeah, just keep an eye there. If this will start aggressively pushing lower, you can take that sell. So how far it will go, you'll see. Okay, any strong break to the downside, you can take that sell. For our structure is this. Okay, so bigger correction. Or this can go for one more high and then break down, but definitely watch this, how that will develop over there. Okay, 1 hour you want to see there the correction, which can break at any time soon to the downside. So focus on your sell setup. New Zealand cat, I see one more high. Okay, so we've been already watching this for the buy, and yeah, keep an eye there for the one more short buy. Okay, that's not gonna go far. Keep an eye there. I will not be trading it because I'm not interested there. This pair will not go far. It can just break and then it will continue downside. Okay, we can see just the break and then it can turn in the same candle. Actually, it can actually spiked up and reverse. So be careful there when the New Zealand cat will start to break the top. New Zealand yen, okay, wonderful trade. Okay, we in our trading room, we've been tracking that move. Okay, so yeah, we were trading there, we were selling all those setups. So yeah, we are already protected. Our sales are protected with break-even trade, and we will see how far that will go. Okay, so can I add more sales? Of course, yeah. Let's see how that will develop. You can take that sell. You will see how far it will go. Okay, this should be aggressive. Okay, if this will not go aggressive to the downside, take off your sales. Okay, if this will not be aggressive, take off your sales, it will go into the deeper correction, then we will sell again. Okay, so keep an eye there. We will see how that will develop. Here in New Zealand, I see that one still pushing lower, but keep an eye. We can still see that move. So you have to be careful. You want to see the confirmation, the correction all appear over there and then all the way back to the previous bottom. Okay, so don't sell without having the correction over there. Why? Because it can still reverse to the upside and then it will go down. Okay, so this is how you will watch it. Okay, keep an eye there, watch for sell stops, but be aware that there can be one more short-term buy setup, but which will not be tradable. Okay, focus to sell setup. Sell setup will be worth of taking it. Okay, because it can break down. Also, New Zealand, it is struggling there, so I've been telling you for the watch for that break the downside for the correction first, and then break the downside. The price is trying to break down already, but this is not strong. Okay, so what can you anticipate there? Okay, the bigger correction can appear over there, so be careful, traders. Okay, we can see there the bigger correction, and then it will continue to downside. Okay, something like this, it's possible over there, really possible. Okay, that can go something like that, and then it can push down. So watch for the price action around the previous high. Okay, so this there is where you will watch for the price action around the previous high. You watch for the price action, go for that sell. Okay, so slowly, guys, don't rush now. Okay, I don't think that this thing can just reverse the downside. Not yet. Okay, based on that behavior, that it can struggle there, and we can have a running flat over there also, and then to push lower. So don't rush. Okay, just let the correction to appear, and the correction will tell you where the price is about to go. Here, Aussie, wonderful trade. Okay, it is trying to push lower. It's also published on my idea. Okay, so watch for your sell setups. 1 hour, you can see that one sell setup is already in the making. Okay, and if this will start to break down, you can take the trade, and you will see how far that will go. Okay, so I do anticipate all the way back to that bottom. Okay, I see that this will keep pushing lower, keep pushing lower. Okay, so you'll be able, if you will miss it now, you will be able to catch the later setup. Okay, but definitely watch for those setups. Nice trade is coming actually over there. Okay, so this is on my watch list. Aussie Cat, definitely watch for the buy setups. Okay, this will just break at any time soon to the upside. Okay, this is preparing for the upside, so you can buy strong break to the upside. Okay, wonderful trade. So keep an eye there. Watch for the strong breakout. I will delete all those trend lines. I don't want to confuse you. So yeah, nice setup is coming. Strong break to the upside. Buy it, and yeah, enjoy your profit. Aussie Chief, I think that this is getting complicated a little bit. Okay, so if this will break to the downside there right now, we need to see the break to the downside. Okay, we need to see the break of the downside. If this will not break the downside, then we will see a total reverse to the upside. We'll see the break of the top, and then we will see a reversal. So what you can do, watch this. If this will start to aggressively break the downside, you can take that sell. Okay, if that won't be aggressive, you will see the one more wave to the upside. Okay, we'll see the break of that top. So which one it will be, I don't know, but we are already having our cells which are protected with break even. Okay, so this is the spot where we were selling in our trading room. Okay, so we catch really nice trade, and yeah, we are already into the profit. Some of my traders, I think that they have also the cells from the top, but yeah, you should catch it from somewhere there. Catch if struggling, correcting, and still not clear sense of direction. Okay, so this needs to start to push lower. Okay, so let it struggle there, and we need to see the strong break to the downside. Okay, so still watch for the sell. Okay, I didn't stop watching it for the sell, so you will be able to take some sells from there, also there, but that one should be close on break even, and now you will anticipate the same move. Okay, let it breaking down. If this will become aggressive, break that top or correct there, you can take that buy. Okay, if this will break and correct, take that buy. Okay, this buy will go all the way break that top, and then you will see the reversal. Okay, so this is what we can have over there, and then a reversal. So one more high before dropping to the downside. Okay, so keep an eye there. Right now, it's the really important spot which you will have to identify correctly, so you will know which direction the market will move in the future. Okay, we are watching that every day in our trading room. Okay, so we watch from the higher to the lower time frame, all time frames, to see the potential and to read the charts correctly. Your chief, what do you have there? Similar there, watch this correction to break down. Okay, let it to break down, but you wanna see the strong break to the downside. Otherwise, don't go for the sell. Okay. So keep an eye there, watch how that will develop. If this will start to push lower, if this will correct over there after having a break of trend line, you can take that buy. Okay, it will go just break that top and then it will reverse. So yeah, if you find any good buy setup after having a break of the trend line, that would be perfect. Okay, you can take it and you see how far that will go. If this will start to aggressively break down, okay, so that sell would be nice. Silver. Silver, definitely you want to watch for the buy stops. Okay, we are already correcting, but that can stay for sideways, breaking that bottom totally, and then it can push for one more wave to the upside. So yeah, guys, watch for the wave to the upside after breaking that bottom. Okay, that could be a nice trade. Okay, nice trade. So let me delete one arrow. Yeah, like that. Okay, let it push a little bit lower. Okay, and then pushed higher. We can also see the break of all those tops, and then we'll see the correction, and yeah, we'll see in the future the price will go. But definitely keep an eye there for the buy setups. If you'll find there on the 1 hour or 15 to 5 minute any good buy setups, you can take it. Okay, but definitely let's wait. Okay, as you can see that this will go and break that bottom, and then you can anticipate a nice wave to the upside. Okay, it is really nice. Gold. Let's see. Gold is trying to push higher, but is moving really, really slowly. Okay, I don't want to see that kind of the slow move over there. So what can I anticipate? We can see one more down, okay, or at least for the sideways. Okay, this can stay sideways and then pushing higher. So which one it will be? At the moment, that looks both directions. So I will say neutral. At least I will have that third move to see if this is about to push higher or will this become stronger, correct, and pushing lower. Okay, so at the moment, I cannot say anything. Just keep an eye there and watch it. Your cat, it started to push lower. Okay, since there, it has started to push lower. So what can you anticipate there on the 4 hour? I think that this will just correct there for the bigger correction and it can continue to the upside. Or if this will start to push strongly, correct there, go for the sell. So as you can see that there are many setups which you will have to wait on the Monday. Okay, let the charts give some time and they will tell you in a exactly right time where they will move in the future. Okay, but right now the move is kind of neutral. Okay, so we will do in our trading room a webinar where we will rewatch. Okay, so all those setups which I'm showing you right now, they can change. Okay, they are on the spot where they can easily change and extend their corrections. So be special careful for the upcoming week. Aussie, okay, so we were sellers there, okay, we were keep selling there from the top. So what can we anticipate right now for the others also? I think that there will be just a little bit bigger correction, but we will still go to the downside. Okay, so watch that move, go for the sell. Okay, this is what you can see, and that kind of correction can appear easily over there. Can this start to push lower? Of course. If it will stop around the bottom, then we still can have a bigger correction before dropping to the downside. So keep an eye there. This push will be lower time frame. So for the short term period, then you will watch for the buy and boom, big wave. It's still to the downside. Okay, I don't still see this strong reverse to the upside. Not yet, at least not yet. Okay, but like I said, it can change during the week. Okay, that can change and it could happen that on Wednesday we will start buying it. Okay, but depends. Not yet. It is not ready yet. Okay, again, quite similar scenario over there. Okay, so what can we have there? This can just break down, okay, and start to push lower. So keep an eye there. Watch this correction and see how this will develop. Take the sell. Be careful on the previous bottom, and you will see if it will aggressively break down. So congratulations, you have a wonderful trade, which will go all the way back to that previous bottom. Okay, so you will have a nice trade. Okay, watch it. Watch it. I'm already the seller on all the amperes. Okay. Chief Yen, what do we have there? The price is trying to bounce us off from that correction. Okay, that's quite specific, this Chief Yen, because we can see one more wave to the upside. Okay, this arrow is from our trading room. Okay, when I was showing to my students what the price is trying to do. It did exactly what we were anticipated, and now we can see the turning point. Okay, this can go for one more high and then to go to the downside. So be careful. Like I said, watch there on Monday what the price is trying to do, and yeah, if this will correct there, you can go for the sell. You will see how far that will go. But that correction has to appear before we can forecast the clear move. Euro this can still go down. Okay, watch for this move. If this will stop, then we will see a bigger correction which can go down. Okay, so there can be easily a flat formation. Okay, that can go down, stop by the previous bottom, going high, take that high, and then going down. Okay, so big correction can appear over there and then pushing lower. So yeah, 15 minute, you can see there the 15 minute, you can take that sell, you will see how far it will go. If this will become strongly, nice, you have a wonderful trade. Okay, so you will move into the profit before we will hit the previous bottom. So keep an eye there. Euro yen could be really nice potential setups for the Monday. Euro GBP trying to correct itself. What can we anticipate? I think that this is to correct over there and push for one more high. Okay, so 1 hour setup. I see something like that. Okay, like they're showed with the arrows. Okay, so correct and push lower. So keep an eye there. Let that 1 hour correction to appear so you will know in which direction we are going. Okay, it can also appear that we will go in the deeper correction and then higher. Which one could be? I cannot say at the right now, at the right exact time. Pound New Zealand breaking lower. Okay, so yeah, similar trade from our daily webinar. So as you can see, there is the example how we are watching on daily webinars our trades. Okay, pushing lower and then pushing higher, sorry, and then lower. Okay, so this is our webinars. So what you can do, you can see that the price is trying to push lower all the way back to the bottom. But if you want to sell, I think that you are uh, quite slow. Yeah. So what you can do, you can sell below that bottom. Okay. But it will be better if you find any 5 to 15 minute sell setups. You can take that sell. It will be better. But when it will once it will hit that previous bottom, you can protect yourself and move all your trades on break even. That is better. Pound cat, okay, similar there. It is still pushing lower, and I still see there the nice sell coming. So yeah, take every sell setup that you see. Okay, so watch it now. I still see this one now going breaking that bottom. Okay, break that bottom, and then we can see the turning point. Okay, so how far it can go? The correction is just getting bigger. Okay, this thing is just getting bigger. You can watch for the sell setups. Take those short-term sell setups. Okay, if this will correct there, take that sell setup. Okay, you can make at least 2 to 3%, something like that. Okay, nice profit. So yeah, slowly, patiently watch for your sell stops. Similar like there. Okay, that one I think it's also posted there on TradingView under my published idea, and it's also in our free Telegram group. So watch there. Watch for the sell stops. You will see how far that will go. Okay, there was some struggling lower setup, pushing lower. So yeah, keep an eye there. Watch for the more sell setups. Okay, don't give up by selling that pair. Okay, let it to correct. Go for the sell. Okay, the correction can also get bigger and then break down. Okay, anytime soon it will just break down. I will delete the trend line. Okay, it's not a good indicator at the moment. Okay, so yeah, it can just confuse you. Let's wait for the correction. Take that sell. Take that sell. I see this going lower. Okay, it can even go a little bit lower than that bottom. Pound chief. Let's see. Yes, 1 hour correction. Okay, it can go if this will stop by the previous bottom, it will go into the deeper correction, and then you can see a nice sell. Okay, so if you're selling since there, since previous weekly market outlook, the top, you did a wonderful job. You have to protect yourself, put all your trades on break even, and you'll see how that will plays out. Pound yen, similar scenario there. Okay, I was anticipating there a little bit deeper correction, but it didn't plays out as I expected. So yeah, but it goes into our direction. So what can we do now? Let's wait this correction to plays out. Okay, I think that this it will go like anticipated. So yeah, something like that can appear over there, and then it will go down. So watch for your sell setups. Okay, but let that 1 hour correction to plays out as it wants, and then take that sell. Euronokian nicely pushing higher. If this will crack, take that buy. Okay, take that buy and see how far that will go. I think that we can start to push slowly, tagging that high, and we will see the next move. But yeah, something like this is quite possible over there. So tagging that high, it's possible. So yeah, you can watch there for the 1 hour and take that trade to the upside. Okay, I will label that. So where's the arrow? Right there. Yeah, like that. Okay, taking that high, and then we can see the reversal point. So can you watch for the 1 hour buy stops? Definitely. Okay, definitely. But this right there, it will go for one more down, something like that, and then to start to push higher. Okay, keep an eye. Natural gas still watching for sell. Okay, I'm still anticipating this going down, taking that bottom, then we'll see a turning point. So yeah, take the sell setups. If you find the 15 to 5 minute sell setups, take them all the way back to the previous bottom, then you will see a turning point. Is the Mexican pushing higher? Okay, so there was some signs of the reversal, nice signs of the reversal. It has pushed up, so now price becomes too aggressive to hold the buys. Okay, I don't think that this will be all the corrections. So yeah, this can stay for the sideways movement, something like that, before pushing higher. Okay, so yeah, watch it. Watch it. That will probably take 2 to 3 days before it will give you the nice correction for a buy. SP 500. Okay, so what can we have there? Be careful. I think that this could go all the way back, but yeah, we need to have a bigger correction before this will turn to the downside. So 1 hour, yeah, we can see there the running flat. Okay, running flat can appear and boom, it will push all the way back to the previous bottom. Okay, so keep an eye there, watch it closely, and you'll see something like that. Yeah, watch it all the way back to the previous bottom. That can go really fast. Okay, it could be the similar move like that one. Okay, it could be the similar like that one. UK 100, it is struggling there. If this will correct something like that, you can go for the sell. You can watch the sell. Okay, so yeah, there was some entry orders from our trading academy. Okay, that my clients are taking. Yeah, this can go into the deeper correction, but before we will not see this correction, we cannot say that this is the clear sell because it can still push for one more up and then reverse. So watch this development over there. Okay, let's see how that will develop over there, and then we will see the clear picture. UK oil, okay, it pushed lower really nicely as expected. So this is correcting there. Yeah, watch that to complete. Watch for the correction to complete. Go for the sell. Okay, similar like that. US oil, similar there. Let it crack, go down. Okay, so yes, UK oil and US oil are always the same. US 30. Let's see what we have there. If this will crack there, you can go for the sell. Okay, so let's see if that will crack. Go for the sell. You can take the sell below that bottom. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, going higher and then pushing closer. So keep an eye there. Okay, I don't see that this is the turning point. I don't think that this will turn to the upside. Okay, but yeah, as you can see, these arrows are also from our webinars, daily webinars. And yeah, let's see, let's that to complete and push lower. Okay, but definitely correction it's needed before breaking all the way back to the bottom. Copper, let it to crack, go for the sell. Okay, so there's the nice sell which is trying to complete over there. So yeah, keep an eye there, watch that, take that sell. Okay, you can take the sell. Can this all continue all the way back to the top? Yes, of course it can, but it will still go to the downside, take that bottom, then it will continue to the upside. Okay, or if this will struggle there, nice, it will go all the way back to that trend line. You can take that sell. Okay, any strong break to the downside, it's possible. You can take that trade. German 30, yeah, nice also. Okay, we took some sales over there, wonderful trade. Okay, what the price is trying to do, it will give you the 1 hour correction, then it will break down. Be careful on the previous bottom. Okay, so let it to complete. Let's complete this one, and then it can push all the way back to the trend line, and then it can turn. So be careful. Let it complete. Take that sell, strong break to the downside, and yeah, take off your profit or watch it closely. If it will become aggressive, you can hold it. Hold it. It can go deeper. Platinum, okay, I already told you. You can buy above that high. Okay, you will see how strong that will become. At the moment, I see this really nice buy setup. Okay, so keep an eye there for the buy setups. Okay, watch that and see how that will plays out, like this. Nice correction. Watch it closely. Ethereum, Bitcoin, let it give you the one more wave to the downside. That will be the corrective movement, okay? And yeah, then it will turn to the upside. But yeah, it's not yet completed. You have to wait for the corrections. Okay, this is what we are doing in our trading room. We are watching closely the corrections, how they are developing, and we are forecasting the move and preparing where when the chart will be ready to take that buy. Bitcoin USD, okay, it's close to start pushing higher, okay, so be careful. We will start watching for the buy setups, okay. I think that this is all the correction, and for me this looks like a completed pattern, okay. So keep an eye there for your buy setups. Bitcoin USD will be nice wave to the upside, okay. It can go really strongly, so yeah, it may stay there for a couple more days and then will explode to the upside. I'm anticipated a wave all the way back to that high. Okay, this is my second target. Okay, this is where I will watch it in the upcoming months to reach the 13,000. Ethereum USD, okay, I think that this will go higher, but let it go a little bit lower. Okay, it can go little bit lower like that, tagging that bottom, and then it will turn. So as you can see with arrows, this is uh from our trading room, set up from our trading room, so my traders will know how to trade all those waves. And yeah, they are doing wonderful, they are taking the profits. So yeah, you should do the same, but you have to study the charts. Okay, but anyway, if you will decide to join us, you can speed up your trading career. Okay, we will help you, guide you through all the setups, and we will support you on every move, and we will help you to teach you which correction is important and how corrections are developing. So then you will be able to recognize the corrections into the future. Okay, this is really important. You can make a lot of money there if you will know how the corrections are behaving. Okay, because the correction is the most important thing in the trading. Ethereum, still wave to the upside, nice wave to the upside. It's anticipated. So watch for your buy setups. Okay, watch for the buy setups. Keep an eye. Litecoin USD, that spike I think has changed or completed the pattern. Okay, as you can see, we break that bottom, so we will see in the future all the way back to that up. So yeah, can you watch for that buy setup? Yeah, you can watch that buy setup. You will see how far that will go. Okay, so keep an eye there. You will see if this will start to push higher, but definitely, yeah, strong break to the upside, start buying. Ripple, it can correct there and then going for one more down, and then it can push higher. So yeah, I think that you'll have to wait a little bit with your sales. It can go for the one more high, and then it can go for one more down, and then it will finally push to the upside. Okay, so this is how it can behave. So keep an eye there, you can watch it closely. Okay, so guys, this is everything for upcoming week. So if you are interested to join us, just simply go to our Trading Academy website, okay, tradewithmaster.eu, okay, and choose the membership that you feel for comfortable. Okay, so share the link with others, watch those setups which I'm sharing with you, and make nice money from it. Okay, so traders, have a nice day, have a wonderful week, take care, and may the profit be with you. Bye bye.